Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you're a more mature entrepreneur and you're getting started on TikTok, you might just be asking yourself this question, especially if you're not getting paid through the Creator Fund on that platform yet. You might be asking yourself, TikTok, how do you make money 2021? Well, I've got an answer that will definitely help you out pretty much regardless of what your business model is and or who your niche or ideal customer is. And if you don't qualify to get paid any income from the Creator Fund right now or even ever, you're still going to be super happy with all of the possibilities that are currently available to you in 2021 as an older business person. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. I recently did a video entitled, What's Most Important on TikTok for Business? And let's just say that it's a great chaser or add-on type video viewing experience when it comes to this sort of topic we're discussing in this video, especially if you're trying to figure out how to set up to even conduct business on the TikTok platform in an ethical way. So if you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. That said, let's get more into the subject of using TikTok. TikTok, how do you make money 2021? Now, honestly, if you're a more mature entrepreneur, I'm going to ask you to look beyond the Creator Fund. The Creator Fund, to be clear, is a way that TikTok compensates its creators for the content they create on the platform itself. It began making payouts in early 2021, and basically the way it works is that your account can earn funds, a share of the funds, from TikTok based upon the quality and performance of your content. It has to be original content. It has to meet all of the standards laid out in TikTok's terms of service, terms of use. And to be super clear, this is not a portion of ad revenues that you're getting paid out of in terms of the Creator Fund. Nope, it's not like when you are accepted into YouTube's partner program and you get paid out your share of the ad-based revenue that accrues in connection with your channel. Something like that. And there's no set amount that you'd specifically earn per day or per given period of time. It's whatever you get from TikTok without getting too far down the rabbit hole in this video, because I want you to look beyond earning income from the Creator Fund. I do have a 7-figure success client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and they do get paid from the Creator Fund. They meet the criteria that is set up to even get into the Creator Fund in the first place, which includes, beyond what I've already alluded to, 1, the account holder has to be over the age of 18. Okay, that's easy. 2, you have to have at least 100,000 followers on TikTok. Not initially so easy, but I've done a video you should also check out entitled How to Get 100K Followers on TikTok. And that will help you get there faster than you might on your own. And 3, you have to have at least 100,000 authentic views within a 30-day period. 4, you have to be based in the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, or Spain, as of right now. So maybe right now or very soon you can make money from the TikTok Creator Fund. And that's great. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill does, and they can get 3 to 4 figures at a time from TikTok out of the Creator Fund around this snapshot in time. And that's stupendous for them. But what if you don't right now qualify to get a payout from the TikTok Creator Fund? Then how do I otherwise answer the question of TikTok? How do you make money in 2021? Your business can do business on TikTok. You're very, very likely a more mature entrepreneur, maybe even an entrepreneur mom, maybe not. But if you're one of my regular viewers, you're probably a business owner of some kind, right? So, sure, once you qualify to go live, you can do live streams and earn donations or coins from your viewers as you go live. That can happen. But if you're a follower of mine, that's not the main way you're looking to make money. But hey, once you're over 1,000 followers on TikTok, you're 18 years old and otherwise observing the terms of use or service, then you can earn money by going live if you want to. You could, even as a business or business owner, a thought leader within your space, score sponsorships from other businesses that are obviously not your competitors. Like there may be complementary businesses or brands that you can not just collaborate with, but get sponsorships from. Depending upon your business model, you can get sponsorships from businesses that supply you with supplies, ingredients, materials, what have you. You could get sponsorships as a coach or course creator from software companies, app companies, hosting companies, and more. You definitely have the capacity to make money that way too. But honestly, here's how to otherwise do business on TikTok in 2021. But what do I mean when I say your business can do business on TikTok? Well, as a business owner with a presence on TikTok, you should be doing the following things. 1, optimize your bio so that it's clear that you're a business or business owner with respect to your account. Advise people in that bio what you do, who you do it for, and how your offerings can improve their lives. 2, your link in bio should not be to your YouTube channel or your Instagram account. You can connect those accounts to your TikTok account otherwise, so why waste that link in bio on those things, right? But you should also not make that link in bio to your website. It should be to your email opt-in form instead, ideally. Capture those leads. Don't shovel them off to your website where they can float around, leave, and forget you. Most people will not buy anything from you the first time they visit your website anyway. But if they opt in to get a coupon they can turn in later or to get a freebie of some sort that they otherwise can't get anywhere else, well, it's free to follow you and it's also free to opt in and get the goodie. So they'll likely give you one or both macro conversions pretty quickly. But sales not most of the time right out of the bat. So capture those leads because through email marketing, you can and should get around 3/4 of your sales per month that way. Social media and otherwise, that can bring in around 25% of sales for that month. So if you've just been getting low-hanging fruit-based sales off of the internet and social media, great, but now you might be thinking, hey, I've been leaving a lot of money on the table by not engaging in email marketing more. And statistically speaking, you'd be right. You're gonna make more money off of TikTok and off of any other social media type platform, really, by capturing leads onto your email list and nurturing those leads until they know, like, and trust your brand enough to become customers. And you're still gonna be doing your organic content marketing in the meantime on TikTok. So with enough videos posted over the course of every week, and it's not as many as you'd think, watch my video, TikTok, how many times a day do I publish? You'll do fine. In that video, you'll get real talk and real guidance there. But as a busy adult who's engaging in content marketing on the TikTok platform, okay, you can certainly do videos where you're showcasing a product or service and direct viewers to go to the sales page for it or the sales funnel for it. You definitely can get people contacting you via the messages on TikTok to ask about things that they see you showcasing, making, services that you're discussing, and so forth. Most of my students who have a regular presence on TikTok and work their business like a business there get a lot of inquiries through the messages and either close sales there or direct people to a place where they can close sales off app, and either way works fine. It's whatever works best for you. Just don't violate the terms of service or use of the platform, and you're good to go, of course. And I honestly do have students who make sales off of TikTok every single week, and they're delighted with their results. And the bigger their accounts get over time, the more income streams they can qualify to get, and the more eyeballs are on their videos, and the larger their macro conversions are: followers, email list opt-ins, and yes, sales. The larger of all those three of those macro conversions become over time. There, you have it. This is my answer when it comes to the subject of TikTok. How do you make money in 2021? Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.